Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake with cake mix. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 box of yellow or white cake mix, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of milk. Also, have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract on hand. Finally, prepare 4 cups of vegetable oil for frying, ensuring you have everything ready to go. Now, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine the entire box of cake mix with the 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until the mixture is completely smooth, with no lumps. The batter should be thin enough to pour easily. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. Next, it's time to fry. Heat your 4 cups of vegetable oil in a large, deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour about 1/4 cup of batter through a funnel, moving it in a circular motion into the hot oil. Fry each funnel cake for approximately 60 seconds per side, or until it's beautifully golden brown. Use tongs to remove it and let any excess oil drain. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Once your funnel cake is warm and ready, place it on a serving plate. Dust it generously with powdered sugar for that classic look and taste. You can also add your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, chocolate syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream. Serve your delicious homemade funnel cake immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.